couple of weeks ago, Jeremy from Montreal sent me a little package with things he's making for Land Rovers with a 3D printer. And I've never really got round to doing it because I've been a bit busy, but here are the bits and pieces he sent me. I think these are for a TD5 hose clips that go onto the hose to hold maybe heater hoses or something like that. I'm not familiar with those for a TD5, but they look quite well made and very springy. Doesn't look like they're going to break. But the most important thing I was interested in was these things here. He's made these little adapters that go on your duct on your dash underneath, and this one in particular is kind of interesting because it redirects the flow of air to left or right. So if you want to blow it on your feet, it'll go down, but you can move it around and things like this. Kind of clever really, isn't it? All fits together very nicely. He also makes this little one here. That's the right way around. It's like a little Louvre. It directs the air down to the bottom better, but it hasn't got that great big cover on like the Land Rover ones have. So I'm going to put a link to the video to his website down below, and you can have a look because he's got some other bits and pieces that you might be interested in. So go and have a look. See you later.